What's e-commerce? It's basically buying and selling things online, which offers unmatched convenience to customers and especially to sellers. And in this video, I'll explain why starting an e-commerce business is much easier than any other type of business and what steps you need to take to launch it with no hassle. Why e-commerce? It's profitable. In the last few years, the industry has been growing exponentially. Just look at these stats. Last year, the e-commerce sales worldwide were estimated at $5 trillion, and by 2026, this number is expected to grow to more than $8 trillion. Among those numbers, there are 263 million Americans shopping online at the moment of time, and this number is also growing exponentially. Not bad for a country of 329 million people, right? And having that in mind, starting an e-commerce business with a focus on the US market is extremely profitable these days. It's easy and doesn't require huge investments. When starting a brick-and-mortar store, you need to do so many things which not even an experienced business guy can handle. Renting space for storage, then renting space for your retail shop that would be in a good location, that would see enough visitors on a regular basis. Then you need to buy products in advance and store them, then properly work on your brand identity, then hiring staff, then paying them. You see? That's extremely hard to do. So many business owners fail before even opening their first store. E-commerce is exactly the opposite. When starting an online store, you don't rent any physical space, neither do you hire anyone, nor buy products in advance. Zero risk on your side because you simply own an online store. Answer customer questions sometimes and just collect the profits while your supplier does all the logistics. Nowadays, it's as simple as that. How to start an e-commerce business? There are 5 steps you need to take, which you can either do on your own or take a shortcut, which I'm going to share with you by the end of this video. So stay tuned and let's start with the first one. Your store's website. Step 1, get a website. Every business of today starts with a website, not only because it gives more ways to promotion, but also having a website adds credibility to your brand like nothing else and gives you the perfect chance to control your store's visitors' behavior by tracking their activity on your website. Every store's website has a handy dashboard for you to see what products sell best during the exact period of time, how much your store makes in general, and what steps you need to take to make more money. In other words, to scale your business. You don't need to build a website on your own, by the way. If you don't have any design or coding skills, you can order a website from agencies, which would cost you, well, a couple of $1,000s, or you can simply get a free trial store, as there's such an option on the market. Step 2, find suppliers. Remember that suppliers are very important because they will handle all the logistics on your behalf. They provide your business with products, store them, then pack and ship, and deliver products to your customers. You need to make sure they are reliable, while their shipping times are bearable. Step 3, add products to your website. To generate stable profits, your store should have a catalog of high-quality products that sell. It means they should be trendy, in demand, and in the best case, high-ticket ones, because the higher the prices in your store, the more profit you will make. Searching for products that sell great might be a bit of a challenge because it normally involves market research and using tools like AdSpy or Google Trends and then analyzing all the sources at once in testing your products yourself. But remember that there's a shortcut, which I'll share with you in a minute. Step 4, create product pages. To show off your products, you need to create eye-catching product pages that would clearly demonstrate your products in action. Have perfect visuals and text. All this you need to convert visitors into buyers. And step 5, market your products. There are many stores on the internet, so to stand out, you need to reach out to your target audience and let them know you exist, what products you sell, and why people should buy them. There are tons of marketing channels these days, both free and paid, such as social media, email newsletters and follow-ups, SEO, and so on. Plus, you can grow your business and significantly increase your profit potential by entering marketplaces. Having a website for your store is the basis of your business, but marketplaces will be that powerful engine that makes your store generate huge profits these days. If we take Amazon, for example, which is the most popular one, there are 300 million active buyers and more than $500 billion in annual revenue. So it would be totally irrational to not to grab your piece of this pie. And the shortcut. But Sellvia, your e-commerce business has everything to beat the market, and here's why. We create turnkey online stores that are fully functioning, automated, and are ready to start making sales right away. High converting design and sleek interface for your customers to navigate through your store and place orders in seconds. Every store comes with a catalog of high quality, top selling products and access to thousands of other products from all the niches. Perfect product pages, fast delivery, and tons of catalog upgrade options are included. Everything is set up so that you don't need to waste time trying to understand tech stuff and boring things. Your dashboard will only show you the data you need to upscale your business, and even your personal growth roadmap to handle marketing like a pro. And even if you're a total beginner, you will have an entire team working only for you, including 24/7 assistants, a personal manager providing you with one-on-one Forbes-level business consultations to improve your store's performance. And of course, there's also an option for you to enter Amazon anytime you want for maximum profit potential. How much does it all cost? $0, because it's a free trial option. Check out the links in the description, get your free store right away, and share your thoughts on it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'm wishing you the best of luck on your way to success, whatever path you take. See you!